This has to be one of the most relaxing inflatable pools that I ever had. Because it's not only a pool, and I'm gonna try to go to the frame of the video so you can see this one better. But not only that, this one is gigantic. You can see how big this one is. It is 80 by 66, and you can see that I'm fully dressed and I'm not getting wet. So this could be two things. It could be an inflatable, relaxing lounge, kind of like I want to say big mattress, but also can be a pool outside or inside of the pool. Okay, check it out. Now you can see a little bit better. It takes about, I want to say, if you have one of those electric inflatable air pumps, it's going to take about, I think it was like 10 minutes, something like that, 10 minutes. And then you also have the pillow over there. And you also have something that is really cool that I'm going to try to see if you can see this one better. But again, I'm sitting right here. I'm not getting wet at all. So you can actually sunbathe in this one inside of your pool. And when you are kind of like hot or something like that, you just roll over and just get inside of the pool. So that is really cool. But then one more time, check this out. I'm right here. Oh, this is so awesome. So cool. I'm trying to get in frame. Just give me a few seconds and I'll be right there. And kind of like we are good to go. And also this one comes with two cup holders. They're big cup holders. So you can put kind of like a big glass of wine or something like that. And you have two of them. But since this one is really big, as I was just telling you before, 80 by 66, you can fit two people in here. So that's really good for the couples or also for kids. And last but not least, this one, I can't show this one to you right now because I don't have that type of hose. But with a hose, you can connect that one there and you're going to have kind of like I think it's going to be kind of like a sprinkler thing that is going to be aiming at you at all times. So that's what I was telling you before. If you can put this one outside of the pool, or if you even don't have a pool, you can put this one outside. It's inflatable here, so it's cushioned. And with this one connect to a hose, you can transform this one into kind of like a lounge, pool, outside, I want to say sunbathing mattress. That's it. That's kind of like the definition of this one. As I said, this one is really cool. Whether if you want to put it in the pool for two people, 80 by 66, fully inflatable, and also with a sprinkler system. There we go. And the two cup holders, big cup holders. This one is a must-have for the summer season.